We've been back here working at these trees. This morning, not a damn soul showed up. I had 4 people that were supposed to come and work. Every one of them decided to take the day off, I guess. So it's just been me and Dad back here going at it. We got one tree down. He's back there cutting the rest of the logs up. So we done what we could do today. It was a pain. The day started off bad and it just got worse as it went. And then we finally got it worked out and figured it out. But it's stressful as hell when you got this big of a job and nobody wants to come work. So we're gonna stay at it and see what we can get done here. Well, we finally got this damn thing down. It's gone. Out of the way so we can get the fucking lift back here now. And all that. Gotta get them 2 next over there. That'll be tomorrow. Logs down and off. We got the whole tree down now. I only got one down and out of the way. Now we just gotta get the grinder over here and grind this stump up, clean this mess up, and move the trailer or the lift over to them 2. Here getting started today. It's a little wet out. Got that tree down yesterday. Now we're gonna work on that big sucker today and this little willow over here, and then we might get to this one. I don't know. We'll see how fast we get moving today. Gonna work till dark. Hopefully we can get some stuff done. Piece of aluminum in the stump. Trying to get out. Inside this stump. Got it dug up out of there. Climber getting ready over there. And they're getting everything ready up front with the boom and our other climber Coy. They're getting ready to get to it down here. Pretty big crew today. Finally got a crew. They're working on this tree over here. Coy's up on the lift. Dad down here on the ground. Also a hole inside this son's bit. Didn't go exactly the way we want, but it felt good. Some metal wire in there. ropes coming down.
Under it. I don't think it's gonna hurt him.
Got a limb tangled up there. He's trying to work on.
So I think
it's got slack. Probably have to push it a little bit.
I'm gonna cut through a little bit more, okay? You don't want that to poke through. You never know when that's already too much pressure on that limb back there on the metal.
Typical Chevy owners.
Wonder what's with the pink on that one. I know he's done a lot of tree work, though. 10 years.
We'll swing this one down now. We got quite a bit of them that was hanging over here off this one. Hard to even tell that we've done anything on this big ass tree, but we've taken a lot off. All that right there. Snowing a little out here. Alright, that was footage from our big tree job we're on with the multiple trees. That was day 2 and 3. As you can see, on the second day nobody wanted to show up and work and give us a hand, but on the next day we got people there. I went online, threw a big ass shit fit of how people are lazy these days, but we got some people there to work, get caught up and get things done. We'll be back over there in a couple weeks or so. Right now we're wrestling with weather. As you've seen in that clip, it's snowing right now. Wintertime makes it hard to get work done. You know, you got shorter days. It's a lot colder, shitty weather, wet, muddy, all that kind of crap. So we're moving along the best we can, and I'll be able to get y'all some more footage of this work as soon as I can. But I'll have other videos coming up as well until we get this back to this job. But hit the like and subscribe buttons, help this channel grow. I can keep on putting up great footage for y'all to watch of us working and doing other shit we do to make money. So we'll see you next time.